Hi everyone, welcome to a channel that is Regrob.com, and today in this video we'll give you the internal view of Gaur City Mall, which is located in Noida Extension. So friends, we are standing outside the project. And here you can see the 130-meter wide road in front of Gaur City Mall. And here we are giving you the exterior view. Now this is the internal view of mall, as here you can see the construction work is going on in full swing. This mall offers lockable office space and studio apartments. It's 100% commercial land, and this project is funded by PNB, India Bulls and ICICI. And now we are moving towards the basement area. So it's an under construction project, as here you can see the construction work is going on. The project is sprawled over 5 acres of land. It would be one of the premium commercial project in Noida Extension. So from here you can take the entire view of Gaur City Mall. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel, and for site visit and queries, you can call us at the number given in the description. Thank you.